Kitchen. I'm Fang. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make duck liver pancake. The main ingredients are duck liver, onion, carrot, broccoli, and eggs. Let's cut onion into small pieces. Cut carrot into small pieces. Cut the broccoli into small pieces. Then let's slice the livers. Mix the eggs. Let's open a fire. Put the duck liver in it. We don't need to put the oil because the duck liver has a lot of fat. Put some salt. Pepper. Then it's ready. We don't need to stir the duck oil, we can use it. Let's fry the vegetable. Put a little bit salt. Then it's ready. Let's make the pancake. Put a little bit oil. Put the egg in it. The perfect pancake is ready. Let's put the liver on the pancake. Then put the vegetables. Breakfast is ready, let's start to eat. This is luxury breakfast. Thank you for watching, see you in next video, bye bye.